Hi guys, hi everyone. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Today, my people, guess what we are making? Guess. Okay, nevertheless, we are making akwu. Yeah, akwu. Here is my frozen akwu, already cooked and frozen akwu pan kernel. But I want to boil it. Then over here is my goat meat, though I will still put oxtail and liver, what's it called, all these shaki and so on. Yeah, I will still put them, but I want this goat meat to kind of tender first. But this one is goat meat, and you can see our stock okporoko, our stock fish. You can see it there. So let's allow them to cook, then we come back and do other necessary things. Just get your seat and your popcorn. At least you will learn one or two today from this. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go there. Okay guys, at this time around, our meat has already 60% cooked. So this time around, I'll add the oxtail and the shaki and so on. I'll add them now. We're done. Remember, we are making ofaku, so I don't need to add too much water on this meat. You understand? Because of the umbo that I will still do. So we'll cover them now and let all of them cook with the stock fish. Yeah. Okay. Put our, I'll add the water now. Why we added hot water is because it will be easy for the oil to come out from the shell, to melt the oil. So I added just a little bit normal water so that my hand can go inside it. I can use my hand and wash it. So let's do the main business. So I'm using my pots to do all these things, because if you use plastic to wash it off is a big problem. So use our hand to wash it. See, the blender did it justice. It did justice to this apple. See, guys, let me just give you, for those of you that is not from Africa, Nigeria precisely, this palm fruit, we call it palm fruit. That's the English name. You can, that is what we are using to do red oil. Yeah, this is the process we go through before the red oil will come out. So that is, and it's a very great stuff. It's a very great food. It's so sweet if you make it this way, as I'm about to do it. You can use it and eat rice. Some people can use it and eat swallow. Yeah, then you can use it and make soup as well. You can make it as a soup. So after washing now, I will bring out this water. From there you can get oil. If you look closely, the oil is just floating. It has started floating. But to use it and make oil, red oil, it goes too many processes. Yeah, but this one, just to extract it and use it, I use the water and cook. Water we use it and cook. So I'm doing the sieving now. Everything about pantry is very good. It's so useful. Just about the leaf, you use it when it dries, then you put it, you burn it, you burn them. Yeah, the leaf and the one other, I don't know the stem from this one, you can use it and do ungo for abacha. Then this one, the seed, you can eat it. You can eat it. That's what we call udake. From this seed we get that udake. Then this chaff, I can't remember actually what they're using this to do, but one of the things I know, those days in the village, our grandmother normally use it to ignite fire when we want to cook with charcoal. So everything about palm fruit pantry is very, very, very useful. All this water palm oil, all of them are from this pantry. Oh, Africa, we get stuff, we get things. We get things. So let's proceed with our washing of the apple. You're washing it for the second time, and also from this palm kernel, no, from these palm fruits, yeah, from this palm fruit we make black soap. Yeah, all this popular black soap, chankota, yeah, we make it from here, from this palm, from the palm tree. That udake is so healthy. We make from the palm kernel, we make it from this. So we'll wash for the second time, second and the last. See, it's already clean. So guys, you've seen it. I've done washing it. So it's not only this one I'll use. I'll also use the can one, because this one is not going to be enough for me. I want to make a large ofaku that will last like 3-4 months. Yes, so I will still put the can. You can see closely the oil is floating. Yeah, so let's proceed. We're waiting for our meat to done so that we'll start the whole process. Ciao, see ya. Guys, you remember I told you I'm making large portion of ofaku. So my meat is 75% cooked. So what next I will do is that I will put this my ungo that I have already made, then dissolve part of this and put it as well. So let's start. Okay, let's wash our fish with hot water and salt. If we go see a soup poto, let's add our washed and deboned fish. Then the remaining I will tie them on the nylon. I will use nylon and tie them, and then put it inside the freezer for another thing. So let's blend crayfish, pepper, and bay is locust beans. Yeah, let's blend them. We are making use of local spices, nothing like anything English. Let's pluck and wash our ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf. Guys, here is our. So as I told you, everything is going to be local, all of them. Here is our ehuru, yeah, local nutmeg. Here is our uziza, yeah. Here's our onion, generous. I'll put others later. Then here is our blended pepper, crayfish and obey the generous as well. Our seasoning cube. This one is Benny. I love Benny. Then in Nigeria. This one Banga spice. Let's turn. My kitchen is the aroma that is coming out from this kitchen. Mind blowing. So it's getting ready. In next 10 minutes, everything will be done. Let's add our salt, then allow it to cook for the next 5 minutes. So next is our nchon. Guys, remember this nchon scent leaf? Remember last year I preserved them. So in this one, have to be generous in this nchon. Done. So that the nchon will melt because I brought them out from the freezer. You see the soup? You see the faka? With rice, with this local rice, oboroko basmati. But me, I have local, so I have to use basmati, can eat it. So, and I wait for just a minute, then I'll introduce my gogo. Okay, let's add our pumpkin leaf. I have pumpkin. And this one is okay. Then finally the remaining onion. Guys, if you have not liked, loved, share, support, subscribe, what are you still waiting for? I must see now. See now, I always make it thick this way so that it will not take all the place in my freezer. So I'll put it this way as it thick like this, yes, inside the freezer. If you want to warm your own, if you like adding more water during warming, you can. For me, this is how I make my stuff. I love you all. Do have a great day. Come and eat if you're around. Feel free, come and eat. Come and join us. I love you all. Bye. Bye. Guys, you see the oil that I'm talking about? You can scoop it out and make use of it. Maybe making another thing. So this one, I'm scooping it. I will scoop it out and use it for another thing. So here is our ofe akwu, so delicious and healthy. Oh, see, I love this greenish. So do have a great day. Bye. Bye. Ooh.